Hello everyone, welcome back to Herbie's Garage. Today I got a quick one for you. Working on my bike, changing the rear shock on it. And while I got it all apart, I thought, well, no better time to clean up all of this. You know, you get that motorcycle chain lube all over everything sometimes. It's on my swing arm, my wheel, of course on the sprocket and chain. So I wanted to clean it all up before I put it back together. And I normally have a product that I use. I like to use WD-40. Does a pretty good job. And anyway, I had a friend tell me that there's another product you could use that does a really good job. And I thought, well, I'm open, I'll try it. So he told me about it, and I tried it. It worked well for me. So all you need, a couple microfiber towels, and this. That's right. Baby oil. I know what you're thinking. I was the same way. Baby oil? Come on, that ain't gonna work. But proof's in the pudding, as they say. I think it worked pretty well for me. I say just try it, see how it does. If it works well for you, give me a thumbs up. If it doesn't work, think it's crappy, give me a thumbs down. That's okay. Leave some things in the comments too, so we can all kind of share on what works and what doesn't. So, well, thanks for watching.